Congratulations on your purchase of SMS Entertainment connectors. In this video, we will show you the proper assembly instructions for the plugs. These procedures apply to both the Ballnose and Tapernose style of connector. To begin with, you'll need some tools to use throughout this process. First, trim the boot to match the outside diameter of the cable. Note the outside diameter markings on the boot for your reference. Mark the cable jack at approximately 1.5 inches from the end of the cable. You can use the enclosed copper shim, which has a width of 1.5 inches as a reference. Next, cut a ring around the jacket where you marked it, but do not remove the jacket at this point. Then lubricate the boot and slide it over the cable at least 6 inches. Once the boot is on the cable, you can strip the jacket from the cable to expose the conductor. After the jacket has been stripped from the conductor, wrap the wire strain around the cable jacket approximately 1/4 inch from the edge to prevent the jacket from sliding further off the conductor. Next, twist the wire strain 1 to 2 turns. At this point, the wire strain should slightly impress into the cable jacket. Then bend the wire strain so it is adjacent to the exposed conductor. To help with the insertion of the contact, it is recommended to crimp the wire strain to the exposed conductor at this point. Next, tightly wrap the copper shim around the exposed conductor and wire strain. To aid with insertion, ensure the shim is wrapped tightly around the conductor and wire strain. Next, insert the conductor into the contact. To help with this, line up the wire strain on the jacket with the set screws of the contact. Once the conductor is inserted in the contact, tighten the set screws to a torque of 400 inch-pounds or 33 foot-pounds. In this example, we use a 3/8 inch impact wrench set to achieve the desired torque. To help with inserting the contacts into the boot, note the alignment of the contact and the arrow on the boot. For a male, make note of the flat area of the contact. For a female, make note of the button on the contact. These should align with the arrow on the boot. Next, pull the boot over the contact until the hole in the contact aligns with the hole in the boot. Finally, insert the phenolic pin through the hole in the boot and contact until it is flush. You may have to tap it in at this point. Congratulations! Now you're ready to put the connector into service. Thank you for watching, and please let us know if you have any questions.